What is up, everybody? Welcome to a very special and different show. We are playing PC Building Simulator 2. I had to think of a game. I was like, guys, what is the most epic game, the first game we would ever play on stream that would really flex the power of the RTX 4090? And the game that came to mind is PC Build Simulator 2. It runs ray ultra tracing, so it's got its own epic level. The folks at PC Build Simulator sent me this amazing thing that I figured we'd open up too. And rumor is this is the first 4090 run of PC Build Simulator 2. So you're seeing a world record happen here on the show as well. So they sent me this. This is the PC Building Simulator DOS edition. Check this out. Who remembers these? Floppy disk drive. Can I get, isn't that amazing? This is what games used to come on. And so it's got the whole user manual for the game. All of the answers are backwards. This is actually pretty cool. And then it's also got exclusive limited edition offer for real human hair. Hit the turbo button on your business so I can write in my name and Uncle Tim actually becomes your technician. So this is really neat, and it's cool to actually be able to have a chance to have our stuff show up in the game as well. You can do overclocking, painting. Like the campaign's a whole lot different, and you guys are gonna see all this in here. And graphical overhaul. It supports DLSS 10. Ready to get it going? We got our 4090. Here it is. We'll go to our side cam. We got our 4090 just in there, sitting there ready. Okay, let's get our camera set up so I can play though. That's what we really need. This thing is starting to get worried. Temperatures, we're sitting at 5 volts. CPU temps in the 50s. There's a Kingston RAM. There's our RTX 4090. Right now it's sitting at 45, but we haven't loaded the game yet. Look at that. Okay, guys, we are getting 60 frames per second. Our 12900K is running at 34, and then 48C on our 4090 Founders Edition. Maximum performance, apply. We want quality there. Okay, maximum quality. I don't know if this might mess up my monitor. Okay, good, we're good. GPU's at 40% utilization right now. It's a new day and a new shop. They burned down our PC shop. Totally not insurance fraud, guys. Okay. Uncle Tim seems kind of shady. Look at the textures on the ladder. This is 4090 quality right here. Okay, well, let's go in here. Man, this actually looks really good. Look at this, we got a Be Quiet cooler, like one of the low profile coolers. The motherboard, that's like a real motherboard too. And the textures are actually really good. Okay, we got our RTX in. Guys, it's just like watching Robeytech in real life. Oh, it's loaded. Oh, I guess I should have Look at that! That's pretty cool. It's 120 bucks. For me to do this, to remove this guy's viruses. Okay, so let's go to his PC. Oh, there it is. Okay, scan. Let's pick up his PC. I guess I can put it here. Okay. Working on it. The customer wants virus removed. You'll need to use a USB Stoker virus removal software. Luckily, you have one in your inventory. Okay, let's install tools, USB drive. Ooh, where do I want to put it, guys? I think I'm going to put it right here. Okay, I've got my USB drive. Okay, now let's start installing some cables. Wow, that's cool. Put this right here. It's just like when I work here, guys. It's just like a Robeytech stream. Okay, let's power it on. Let's see. Let's check out the BIOS though. Oh, I can't go in the BIOS right now. I was going to overclock. Wow, 335 infected files. Wow, that's a lot. What do you guys think this guy's been doing on his PC? I made $120. Could you please water cool my GPU and set up a loop for me? Absolutely. I wish actually doing this was this fast. Thermo paste. Okay, here we go. Oh, it just puts it on. Oh, wow. That was about the fastest I have ever water blocked a GPU. Let's do purple clear. Oh, here it goes. We're filling the loop. Look, it takes a while. Oh, wow, that was a really small radiator. 320 bucks to overclock. Okay, let's go to CPU overclock, but you need to be careful not to use too much or your CPU you could damage. Oh, nice. We're gonna stress test it. Okay, here we go. Oh, and it's a Be Quiet case. I like that case. 320 bucks, man. Jeez, okay. Man, I've already made like 600 bucks today. Oh, it's a Corsair 5000T. I can change my name of my shop. There it is, Robeytech OnlyFans. Everybody likes it. It's very good. What's Wormy? Play. Oh, guys, there's a game. Oh, I beat Linus. First time beat Linus. I'm esport level pro here. Oh, dang it, 6,500. Nobody's gonna break into this place. Ugh. Day one in the books. Robeytech OnlyFans. Ugh. So good right now, what's happening. Let's do contemporary. Okay, I like that. I kind of like the futuristic white one. Yeah, this one I like the most. Oh, okay, and then you got posters. We're gonna make it all spacey, guys. Yeah, it feels like that's pretty good. I feel like we're done here. I don't think there's anything else to do, guys. I want to buy more stuff. Look at that. Oh man, look at those lights. Wow, they really upped the graphic quality on this. Okay, now I can place the PC for sale. Wow, I love this build, this room. This thing is so cool. Bend to perfection. Okay, let's go ahead and sell it. Oh, that does actually look pretty sick, guys. Okay, now we gotta upgrade this system. It's got a bunch of math on it, guys. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Okay, so we're good there. Oh wait, we have to put all the other cables in. Okay, so this is running a little bit better. Oh no! Oh crud. Really just took it out while I was running R20. Dang it! The Cinebench monster. Because it wasn't. That's cool. I like it. I like it. We'll make it purple. One PC up for sale. And we're good. Okay. Well, that is it for this one. We've done everything. Email's good. Yeah, all this stuff is on its way. Shut down. We got a lot done. We got to level 5. Robeytech OnlyFans is well on its way to being a successful operation in business. We've got our front. Oh, it looks like our PC sold, by the way. But anyway, guys, that has been it for us. Thank you so much for hanging out. It was a long stream, but you know what? Time flies when you're having a lot of fun. Have a great night, and we'll see you guys on the next episode. Bye, guys.